Hi, I'm Joel Vandenberg with CardLevel.com, and I would like to explain to you in this video is how to tell your effective rate. And this is going to be probably the most important thing that you will know, and to make your decision and to what company you should have to use to do your credit card processing. Now, what you'll find is after you watch this video, you're going to want to pull out your credit card statement and then maybe even watch this video again. But I'm going to show you an old company that before we had worked with them and what their net sales were. And this one right here, you'll see the net sales was $78,792. That was the net sales for 1 month. Now, as you can see, the discount rate was $1,737. That's what they were told that their credit card percentages were. And these percentages actually don't look real bad. Like for example, here's 1.9%, and it varies to 2.29%, which doesn't sound like a bad rate. But now here's the interesting thing, is look at the top of the page up here. You'll see the total amount deducted from the account was $2,442.71. So what you're going to find out is this is the number you have to work with. This is what tells you what your effective rate is. Now again, to do that, here's what we're going to have to do. Here's the old company. The net sales was $78,792. And you see the range was from 1.9% to 2.29%, $737. But when you add all the additional hidden fees and all that, the actual amount deducted from your account, when you add these fees, the fees are actually $706. So at first, when somebody is quoting you a rate, 2.2 doesn't sound bad as an overall rate. But now when you add up all your fees, so take the amount of money that you netted, and then you can divide it into the 2,443. The effective rate that this person was paying in this old company was 3.1%. Now with Card Level, we were actually able to help them. So let me show you after they were changed over here. You'll see with interchange, and you'll see that it says interchange was what their rate was based on, and that's another video you can watch. But the bottom line is this right here was $79,080 was their net. So in actuality, this was several $100s more that was netted in sales. But now look at their actual deduction from their account was $1,569. What does that mean? Well, let's take a look at this and figure out this time. So with Card Level, the net sales are $79,000, and the rate that we were actually able to quote was 1.6. But now let's add our fees in. The fees were $301, and so the total amount was $1,569 in fees. This rate here, now their effective rate is 1.98%. There's their effective rate. Now this is something that you can do with your own statement. Is now you can take your statement and figure it out. Look at your statement and see what is the total of your sales, your net, and then look at what fee total was deducted. So again, the way to figure that out is to take the amount of your total fees, this number here, divide it by your net. That equals your effective rate. Now with this particular customer, they're actually saving over 30% on their fees. So as you can see, here's the old company saving. The old company was at 3.1%. With card level, it's 1.98. It equals a 36% savings. Now that was an extreme situation because that company was spending a lot of money, and we were able to help cut their fees down. In some situations, many situations, we're able to do that. But even, let's say, we're taking a worst case scenario. Let's say the fees were $2,443 per month. And so the savings that would cost would be $29,316 per year. Now, if we could save even 15%, that's half of what this is up here. But even at 15%, that's $4,397 of savings that you're going to have on a regular basis you're going to save every single year. Now, at 20% savings, which is not uncommon for us to be able to reach, you can save $5,863 every single year. Now, as you consider that as the years go by, 5 years of 15% savings is $21,985. Again, those go directly into your profits. That's money that's in your hand. So we can see the really importance of getting to understand your effective rate. So what I really recommend for you to do right now is to go get your merchant statement, and let's take a look at this video, watch it one more time now with yours, and figure it out, and then let us give you a quote looking at that same statement, and you can appreciate how much money that you'll be able to save with card level.